Welcome to 4700 Brookside Drive in Alexandria, Virginia. This estate is over 2 acres. Come and join us today for a private tour. As you enter the grand foyer, you'll notice space and light that streams through from your overhead skylight. Welcome to your chef's dream. This is truly a gourmet kitchen. We have the marble island for eating and prep space, and take a look at not only one, but 2 sinks that you have. In addition to that, the upgraded stainless steel appliances are actually crafted within the exposed brick. You'll note the high ceilings, the pendant lightings, even a pantry within the kitchen. And I love the additional space that you get to not only entertain, but also for guests to enjoy your true culinary experience. With the home built in the 1930s, they were specific in the dining room to make it truly exquisite. They brought in the stained glass masterpiece, a wood-burning fireplace, crown molding throughout, and the space is perfect for entertaining guests. The great room, located off the dining room, gives you the opportunity to make it anything you want from function and design. You can see here the floor-to-ceiling windows that look out over your majestic lot of just over 2 acres. This could easily become your favorite room of the home. An addition that the owners did where they brought in mahogany flooring, cathedral ceilings, and enclosed it with glass windows so that you didn't have to worry about the different seasons. This is truly a 4-season room where you can enjoy nature and your private lot. The primary suite is positioned in the back of the home to take full advantage of nature and the views that you can have from your new bedroom. There's a gas fireplace, you have the vaulted ceilings, and I want to show you all of the upgrades that the owners have done to the bathroom ensuite. As you walk into your new spa-like bathroom, you'll see the custom glass surround with the rain shower and jetted functionality, even a luxury tub that's separated from the shower. With a custom design, they partitioned off the toilet and an additional sink for prep area. As you enter the lower level from your spiral staircase, you'll note how customized this lower level is, with stone flooring, even stone walls that greet you with a perfect wine cellar. We're standing now in the billiard room that has additional seating along the wall. The lower level boasts 2 fireplaces with a gas insert in the billiard room, and you'll see the wood stove insert here in the recreation room, which is spacious and gives you direct access to the private yard and pool. Beyond the recreation room, as you walk through this custom stone flooring, you'll see that they did extra work and design for your next bar. Wood surround, and even the brass footrail. With direct access from both the main and lower level, this backyard has it all. You have the private gazebo, even a jacuzzi, the playground equipment that will convey, fire pit, and of course your custom pool where you'll spend the majority of your summers. The guest house or in-law suite is attached to your garage. You'll see that it has recessed lighting, upgraded kitchen and cabinetry, and your own private bathroom. This is the perfect addition to your private lot. A home built in the 1930s that's been fully remodeled, sitting on over 2 acres in the heart of Alexandria, Virginia. We're walking up the gated driveway. Reach out to the Nellis Group today to book your own private tour.